Welcome back again in a new video. Today I'm gonna show you how the timer works. Welcome back. Today I'm gonna teach you about timer, how it works. As for this one, this cable is the main power coming from the DB. As you can see, it's here written DB1F AL4. If you can check in the DB, and you can see AL4, it's written external light. Then when you come here, this cable goes direct to this side of the contactor. Then it is looped and send it here. It is this cable, as you can see, this cable which feeds the timer. Then we have this blue cable. It's the neutral cable which comes from the main, this one. It goes to the contactor, then we loop it to the timer. Then the power to control this, our timer, comes from the timer. It comes from the timer, the power to control our contactor. So it is this one, goes here. It is this one. So immediately the timer goes on, it controls the contactor. Then this power from the DB, it will make contact. This light, the circuit which is going to the light, two cables, meaning it is two cables which are going to the different lights, external lights. This one here is time setting for the clock. This blue is timer setting. It's a 24 timer. So this one in one, it means the off time, and this one on time. It is set at 6:30, as you can see here. Also, it is set at 6:30, also the same. So meaning it will go on at 6:30 until it will go off at 6:30. When you look at the clock, for now it's telling you it's at 8 according to the set clock, how the clock is set. So that's how the timer works. Then another thing that I can show you is about automatic and manual. This is off. When you set it here, it is off. When it comes here, it's auto. When you bring this switch here down, it is manual, meaning when you put in manual, the light cannot go off when you turn it on. Then when you put it in off, the light cannot turn on even if the timer is set. But when you put it in auto, that is when it will, don't know whether you can see it. It has 3 selection. Where you see clock, it means auto. 1 is hand or manual, and 0 is off. And this button here is for setting clock. That's how the setup of a timer looks like. So I hope today you have learned. As an electrician, if you want to connect, that's how you can connect these two cables. It's the power in and power out for controlling this contactor. But the power which is going to the light comes from the DB to the contactor. When the contactor given the power, it will go on, then it will make a contact and the light will go on. That's how it works. Thank you and welcome. Please keep subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Now when you are setting, if you want it to go off, you just press this. If you want it to turn on, you just lift it up, because this one is turning on, this one is turning off. That's how the timer works. So I can show you by lifting this one. It has, when you put it down, or you can put it up like that. It has 10 minutes each. Then it will turn on. These are the breakers for the areas that it is feeding. So it has how many circuits you can count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circuits. It's controlling 5 circuits.